it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today with a Temu Haul Cute Stuff. I'm hoping they had come out with a bunch of Valentine's Day themed pajamas and sweaters, and so I personally love, you know, the whole Valentine's Day vibe, the hearts essentially. So they had hearts, everything. I love to wear hearts all year. So for me, it was just like, I couldn't resist. I just could not resist. And I placed an order for a bunch of stuff. I did make an order also the other day, which I'll try to insert a clip of. That was more home decor things, and I love pretty much everything that I got. I got makeup storage, and I love that. I gotta show you a picture of that because it's beautiful, and it was like maybe $3, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and everything is getting very well organized. But here is what I got today. So oh yes, guys. I see the hearts already. Okay, because I was like, I know I actually placed, I think, 2 orders. So I might have another order. Actually, this is my 3rd order. I'm addicted, you guys. And this is not sponsored. I'm just literally, oh my God, look how cute. Look at all this cute stuff already. Okay, because one of them, I hope you can see, it was teddy bear pajamas. Look how cute, you guys. Oh, look at this headband. You see how, was I kidding when I said cute stuff? How cute, how flipping cute is that? So let's just dive right into this because, oh my God, that's adorable. You know, of course I would never, you know, I'm not wearing this out, but you know, spa headband type of thing. You know, in the house, cute, 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 you guys, and it's very soft. Oh my God, and if you had a little one, wouldn't that look cute on them? But it's big. So it's definitely for adults because it fits my head, and my head is ginormous. So wow, this is already a winner. Again, very soft. The material doesn't feel flimsy or anything. Oh, here's another, guys. What is, I kind of, okay, what was this? This is another headband. Are you guys like me? But I love headbands. So when I saw all these headbands on Temu, and everything is like $1. So you can't resist because it's so affordable and it's so darn cute. So you just lose your mind. Okay, yes, this is another headband, another spot headband. And can I just tell you right now, this is so soft. The material feels incredible. Oh my God, and it says on it, love. Isn't that beautiful? So I don't want to put this on or mess my hair up, but you guys, how stinking cute, you know, when you put it on the regular way. Is that? Well, actually, that's cute like that too. Oh my goodness. I'm in shock. This feels so soft and so silky. Okay, I just put this one back on because I can't. I said, why not? Put it on. It's adorable. It's uplifting. You know, it really is. And it just happens to match my outfit. So is that just, you know, totally serendipity? It's meant to be. It's like totally meant to be. Okay, so now here is a beautiful looking sweater. Okay, now right away, this feels so soft. I was scared because I don't like, you know, who does though, but I don't like itchy material or, you know, material that just doesn't feel good, but this feels so good. This feels incredible, and it's a thick material, and it's not itchy, and it's not scratchy whatsoever. I'll have everything linked below because I cannot see how when I put this on, I'm not gonna love it. I have to tell you, beauties, this feels so luxurious. I truly feel like this is something I paid hundreds of dollars for, like a kind of luxury sweater or some sort. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Temu really outdid themselves because this is adorable, warm, soft, and thick feeling, and just beautiful style. So this is a winner for sure. So now look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at how stinking cute is this. This is a pajama set. You guys, top and bottom. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. And it's so, again, I'm not trying to, I would not steer you guys wrong. This feels incredible. I wish I could put this on right now, you guys. I think this would look cute with jeans and a sweater, you know. I mean, wow, that was the cutest thing ever. So in this, I would size up because it runs a little small. I was thinking it would be a baggier fit, but unless you want it to be, you know, more fitted, then definitely you could, you know, go to your true size. You know, I really love the soft material of this. So this is a cute one. Okay, here's another heart-shaped something. I think these, oh, what is this? Is this a t-shirt or pajamas? So let's see here. Oh, this is pajamas. Such nice quality. The material feels so good. This also feels very nice and silky. So this is the top, and then this is the matching bottoms, shorts. How adorable. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try those on. This is adorable, very silky, soft material. So love the lightweight material, love how silky these are. Definitely gonna be a pleasure to sleep in. So love these. Oh, guys, look at this. Stop. Okay, this is another one, beauties. So soft. I was really scared. I said, if this stuff gets here and it's itchy and scratchy, well, first of all, you can send it back. They do have free returns, I'm pretty sure, for everybody. But they do have easy returns, they said. But this feels, so I was planning to send this back. I said, there's no way this is going to be nice quality. This is so soft, you guys. This is another one. So soft. Unbelievable. So this is how the sweater fits. It feels so good. I'm not even joking, you guys. It's so soft and it's warm. I love the color, the style. It's adorable, perfect for the winter, you know, very uplifting shade. And so this is definitely a winner. Wow, I'm so shocked at how soft everything is. It's crazy. Oh, look at this cute headband. I love this print. Oh, it's reversible, so you can wear either side. And this is very functional because these headbands keep you so warm. You'd be surprised at, you know, just covering your ears, how, you know, much warmer you are when you cover your ears. So I would actually put that on different. I'll probably put it on like, I don't want to mess, I don't want to get makeup on it. I don't want to mess my hair up, but I got to show you. You can, I'm doing this wrong. Like actually you probably put it in the middle, and the material is so soft. Again, zero itchy or scratchiness. It feels very warm. It's covering my whole entire ear. So that's going to be so great when, you know, I go outside. I got to put this back on, you guys. I'm in love with this. It just really, really makes me happy. So, okay, I think, oh, I got another headband like that one, but this one is Chetti material. Again, everything was so affordable. I mean, everything I got here today was about $100 for everything. So how amazing is that? Yes, this is so soft, you guys. I have to try it on. It's adorable and it's so soft. Believe me, I wouldn't want to put this near my skin because my skin is very sensitive. Oh my God, you guys, look at how cute. You know, I'm just doing everything for a moment. How adorable. How adorable. This is seriously, and you know, guys, I'm not even exaggerating. This is so soft. So anyway, I got more stuff here, you guys. So let's keep it moving. I got this. I'm not sure what is that. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a pillowcase. Guys, this is one of my home decor things. I'm doing all my pillows in this kind of Chetti material for my couches. So I'm going to do my couch like this. So I'll show you that. So I just want to show you, for example, guys, but this is a pillow that I got that I'm not really a fan of the material and the design. The design I like, but the material is kind of just doesn't feel that great. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of the new covers on. And now here's how it looks, beauties, with the pillow cover over it. So I just purchased a bunch of these. Again, like I showed you, different colors. And it's so soft, feels so luxurious. And so now I'm going to put these out on my couch. So these are definitely a winner. I'll show you that another day because I got some beautiful home decor from Temu. I can't believe it. You have to see. I'll show you. I'll try to show you today, or I'll come back and show you Temu home decor things that I got because they are so inexpensive and they're so beautiful. So that also feels beautiful. That was like $5. Yeah, I got a bunch of those because I'm going to do my pillows. I'm going to cover my pillows. I'll show you guys. You know, you can just measure your pillow, order the pillow cover, and you can bring new life to pretty much what was an ugly pillow for your, you know, the house pillows, not the bed pillows. So here, guys, is another pajama set. So, I'm not even joking, guys, so soft. Because I wouldn't want to steer you wrong because I hate to waste money. Oh, these are long joggers. These are so soft. I will actually go get another pair of these because I love pink. I love hearts. And so I would want to wear these all the time. And they're not flimsy. They're very beautiful, nice material. Like, they feel incredible. I just got a pair of pajamas at Nordstrom. Those feel exactly like them, if not actually better. So, and those were like $5. This is another pajama set that is so soft. The material is so silky, lightweight also. They're adorable. The material is so silky. Again, a lightweight material, so you're not going to be feeling sweaty. The teddy bear set, I would definitely wear more like a lounge outfit in the house, it's because I don't like to be, you know, hot when I'm sleeping. But something like this, like the previous ones, these are lightweight. Again, cool to the touch. So these are amazing. So, okay, what's this, dolls? Let's see here. Is this another pillowcase? Oh no, this is something I thought I would try just for fun. It's like a spa headband, but it's a bonnet. And you go like this. And you put your, and then you can tie it. But you know, you put your hair in it. And then, you know, your hair is not going to get messed up. I just thought this looked so funny on the website. I was like, I need to get that. I just thought it was hysterical. Maybe for like a TikTok or something when I'm doing my makeup. I look like strawberry shortcake. Yeah, I'm going to refasten, you know, refix this and things like that. But you get the idea. I thought this was so cute. So that was a good one. Now here, oh, this is probably more pillow covers because again, I'm doing my whole room pillow, my beauty room, my other room. I'm doing it with this kind of pillow. I'm doing all my pillows like that. And then I got this color, just more, that was the ivory, and then I got beige because I want to mix them up. So I'm going to do some beige pillows, and these are so soft, you guys. These are so soft. So I was really worried because I'm very, believe it or not, I'm very particular. And I said, ew, if they're going to be gross, itchy, scratchy feel, not good, I'm just not going to want them. I don't want to look at them. I don't want to touch them. I don't want them in my house. But they said, you know what, you can return them. So, but I'm not returning anything so far. This is amazing. So soft. The dogs are going to flip out. I've got the whole house teddy material. I said, these dogs, if you know, they love teddy material, so they're going to be in ecstasy. They love rubbing their little selves on it. So guys, here is another adorable sweater. So soft. This actually feels so soft. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, the hearts, the pink. Can you even, and this is how this one fits. I actually tucked it in a little, but you could of course wear it out or do a little tuck. And so soft, you guys, I'm not even joking. Just, this one is more like a teddy material as compared to the other two that I showed you. But I love it as well. I mean, it's so soft. The style, I love the light pink and then the deeper pink hearts. This is definitely another winner. Everything is staying. Nothing is going back. This is adorable. And then here is, look at these guys. I saw these and I was like, no flipping way. How cute, heart-shaped slippers. I mean, it doesn't get any better. If you're a heart lover, a heart-shaped lover, and you like hearts, you need to go investigate because they have so many cute things for Valentine's Day. But like me, I'll wear these all year. So, you know, even, you know, in the stores, they sell all that stuff, but it'd be like 5 times the price. So you're saving so much money. And then they have coupons. So, you know, Temu is amazing. So here's more pillow covers, you guys. I'm doing a bunch of, oh, you guys, I just saw something else I ordered. I can't wait to try these. Here's another pillow cover. Okay. Now, guys, look at this. I wanted, you know, I was thinking about getting the UGG slippers like this, but I don't want to spend money because I have so many UGG shoes and I just don't feel like spending money anymore. I spent so much money on Christmas, you know. But actually I didn't realize, but these are men's, so they might be too big for me. I got to try them on, but even still, I don't care because I'm just wearing them in the house. Now, also one thing, guys, I got these, I'm not sure what these are. I got to look at that. But, you know, I even just ordered a pair of UGG slippers the other day. They were not that soft, but I did get them on sale. They were only $40 on sale, but let's see. Yeah, these fit perfect because I was worried. Look, I was worried that they weren't going to fit because after I ordered them, I realized it said men's size and I was like, oh, they might be too big. No, but they're not. So I got the medium and they're not too big. Medium says, I don't know, but they fit perfect. I'm a size like an 8. So I got medium. Again, I thought these might not fit me, but they do fit perfect. They are so soft. So finally, beauties, Oh, you guys, look at this. Okay, this right here, I'm so happy. I already got some of these, and so I got some more. This was in my Temu haul the other day, the home decor. But you can put your makeup brushes in here. I got, what did I get? I got, I think, another one of this. And it's beautiful, and it's just, you can organize your makeup so beautifully. And it's just beautiful. And it was like definitely less than $5. And then I will have everything, I'm not sure if I told you already, but I will have everything linked down below in the description box and in the comments for the items that I'm showing you, beauties, today. If you like anything, I mean, so far I think those sweaters are going to be a dream. This makeup organization that they have, these organization things are amazing. Yeah, I got 2 of these. So, you know, at first I was thinking, you know, you could put your lipsticks in here, your mascaras, and just keep your beauty space nice and organized, or your beauty, you know, your vanity. I got 2, so, you know, I can fill them both up with brushes and mascara and lipsticks. So I'm just gonna be organizing more with that. So that's everything for my Temu haul today, beauties. I actually did another haul, because now I'm remembering I just placed 2 separate orders, so they've come separately, but I do remember now. I placed an order for a bunch of stuff for Louis, cute outfits for him and Lola to wear. So I'll be back with that. And again, I will have everything linked down below. So let me know if you see anything that you like. Are you a fan of Temu? Let me know down below. So thank you guys so much for coming and spending time with me today. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.